Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about Edgy Undercut Bob haircut. That sounds like a cool hairstyle choice. An edgy undercut bob can really make a statement. Are you thinking of trying out this new look, or are you admiring it on someone else? It's always fun to experiment with different styles. To style an undercut bob, you can try using some texturizing spray or pomade to add volume and texture to your hair. You can also play around with different styling techniques like tousling your hair for a more effortless look or using a straightener for a sleek finish. For an edgy undercut bob, you can try accessorizing with some cool hair clips or pins. Metal hair cuffs or chains can also add a unique touch to your hairstyle. Experiment with different accessories to find the ones that complement your look and personality the best. Some popular hair clips for edgy bob cut are you can consider for your edgy undercut bob, including geometric shaped clips, pearl embellished clips, and vintage inspired barrettes. These styles can add a trendy and a stylish element to your hairstyle. Have fun exploring different clip designs and see which ones you like best for your look. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.